Hello everyone, and welcome back to Crafty Corner Pro Max. Today, we're embarking on a journey to cultivate calm in our homes with quick and easy decluttering. Many people find the idea of decluttering overwhelming. They imagine entire weekends lost to sorting and organizing. But what if I told you that even just 5 minutes can make a world of difference? It's true. We can transform even the most cluttered spaces into havens of peace, one 5-minute increment at a time. In this video, I'll share some of my favorite tips for refreshing any room in your home, all without breaking a sweat. Whether it's the heart of your home, the kitchen, or a relaxing retreat like the bedroom, these 5-minute hacks will bring a sense of peace and order to your surroundings. Remember, tidying is not about striving for perfection, it's about cultivating joy. These quick tips are designed to help you find moments of peace within your busy day, to appreciate the objects that bring you joy, and to let go of what no longer serves you. So, let's begin and rediscover the joy in those often overlooked corners of our homes. Our kitchens? They are often the heart of the home, aren't they? A place where delicious meals are prepared and shared, where stories are exchanged over steaming cups of tea. But with the busyness of daily life, kitchens can easily become cluttered and lose their sparkle. But don't worry, let's bring back the joy with a 5-minute refresh. First, set your timer for 5 minutes. This is our little reminder to be mindful and focused. Now, let's start by clearing the counters. Take a moment to appreciate these surfaces. Are they covered with mail, keys, or perhaps a stray utensil or two? Anything that doesn't belong there, let's find it a proper home. Next, let's turn our attention to the sink area. A clean and sparkling sink is so refreshing, don't you think? Empty the sink, load any dirty dishes, and give it a quick wipe down. As you do this, feel the stress of the day melting away. Now, let's select one drawer, just one for today. Open it and take a deep breath. Does this drawer spark joy? Are there utensils you haven't used in months, or perhaps duplicates taking up space? Let go of what no longer serves you and organize the remaining items. While our timer gently reminds us of our time, let's give those frequently touched surfaces a quick wipe down. The countertops, the handles, the light switch. As you clean, visualize these surfaces gleaming, ready to welcome a new day. And there you have it. In just 5 minutes, we've brought a little more peace and order to our kitchen. Remember, even small steps like these, done consistently, can make a world of difference. The living room. This is where we gather with loved ones, relax after a long day, and create lasting memories. Let's infuse this space with a sense of serenity and calm. Remember, our timer is our friend, so set it for 5 minutes and let's begin. Take a moment to look around your living room. What do you see? Perhaps some stray toys or magazines scattered about? Let's start by doing a quick sweep of the floor, returning these items to their rightful homes. Now let's move on to the coffee table, often a gathering place for clutter. Carefully select items that don't belong and put them aside. A few well-chosen items can bring joy and beauty to this space. As you dust the surface, visualize the calm and inviting atmosphere you're creating. Next, let's turn our attention to the couch. A neatly arranged sofa invites relaxation and comfort. Fluff the pillows, fold the throws, and tuck away anything that might be hiding in the cushions. Imagine yourself sinking into this cozy haven at the end of a long day. Now let's choose one shelf or a small area of the living room that could use a little love. Perhaps it's a bookshelf overflowing with books, or a corner that's become a catch-all. Take a moment to rearrange and organize, bringing a sense of harmony to this space. Before our timer chimes, let's attend to those often overlooked electronics. Gently coil and secure any loose cords, and give your remote controls and screens a quick wipe down. There. Don't you feel a sense of peace settling in? Remember, even small acts of tidying can transform a space from chaotic to calm, allowing you to fully enjoy this haven of relaxation. Chapter 3. Creating a tranquil oasis in the bedroom. As our day winds down, the bedroom should be our sanctuary, a place to rest and recharge. Let's transform this space into a tranquil oasis where we can release the cares of the day. The first step to creating a sense of calm in the bedroom is to make the bed. It's amazing how such a small act can instantly transform the atmosphere, wouldn't you agree? Smooth out the duvet, fluff the pillows, and take a moment to appreciate the sense of order it brings. Now let's turn our attention to the nightstands. These often become repositories for clutter books we've already read, empty glasses, or perhaps a collection of lotions and potions. Let's clear away what no longer serves us, leaving only those items that spark joy and promote restful sleep. As with the kitchen and living room, let's choose one drawer to declutter. Could it be your sock drawer, a jewelry box, or perhaps a drawer filled with forgotten treasures? Let go of what no longer brings you joy, and organize the remaining items with care. Next, let's tackle the laundry. Gather any stray clothes and place them in the hamper. Folding and putting away even a few items can make a significant difference in the overall feeling of calm in the room. Our final act of tidying in this 5-minute refresh will be to give the floor a quick sweep. Shoes, bags, or anything else that doesn't belong here can be returned to its proper place. As you step back and admire your handiwork, feel the sense of peace and tranquility wash over you. This is your haven, a place to unwind and dream sweet dreams. Chapter 4. Sparkling Clean, the 5-minute bathroom refresh. Our bathrooms, they should be our personal spas, shouldn't they? A place to cleanse and rejuvenate. And yet they often become cluttered with half-used bottles and forgotten toiletries. But don't worry, we can easily bring back that spa-like serenity. Are you ready? Set your timer for 5 minutes and let's begin. Let's start by clearing the countertops. Take a moment to appreciate these surfaces. What brings you joy when you look at them? Toothbrush, soap dispenser? Anything else can be tucked away neatly in a drawer or cabinet. Next, let's open the medicine cabinet. This is often a place where expired medications and forgotten products gather. Let's take a moment to discard anything that is past its prime and organize the remaining items so that they are easily accessible. Now, let's give those sparkling surfaces a quick wipe down. Mirrors, countertops, the sink. As you clean, imagine yourself surrounded by the refreshing scent of cleanliness and order. Next, step into the shower or bath area. Do you see any empty bottles lurking in the corners or products you no longer use? Let's bid them farewell and arrange the remaining items neatly on a shelf or in a caddy. Finally, let's empty the trash bin. Replacing the liner with a fresh one will eliminate any lingering odors and leave the bathroom feeling clean and inviting. There you have it. In just 5 minutes, we've transformed our bathroom into a serene and refreshing space. Chapter 5. Creating a welcoming entryway. The entryway, it's the first impression of our homes, isn't it? Let's make it a welcoming and organized space that sets a positive tone for the rest of the house. Remember, just 5 minutes is all we need. Shoes often have a way of congregating near the door, don't they? Let's find a home for each pair, whether it's on a shoe rack in a designated basket, or neatly lined up against the wall. Next, let's turn our attention to any coats, jackets, or bags that might be cluttering the space. Hang them on hooks, place them in a closet, or find a stylish storage solution that sparks joy. Now, let's tackle the mail. Sorting through mail as soon as it enters the house can prevent it from piling up and causing stress. Create a designated spot for incoming mail and quickly sort it into categories: keep, shred, or recycle. While we're at it, let's give those high-traffic surfaces a quick wipe down. The console table, a bench, or even the doorknobs. A little cleaning goes a long way in creating a welcoming atmosphere. Keys, wallets, sunglasses, these small items often end up scattered about. Let's designate a specific spot for them, whether it's a small dish on the console table or a row of hooks on the wall. Finally, let's give the floor a quick sweep. This final touch will remove any dirt or debris and leave your entryway feeling fresh and inviting. There you have it. 5 minutes is all it took to transform your entryway into a welcoming and organized space. So there you have it, 5 rooms, 5 minutes each, and a whole lot of peace and order restored. Remember, tidying doesn't have to be an overwhelming chore. By incorporating these small acts of organization into your daily routine, you can create a home that sparks joy and brings you a sense of calm. If you enjoyed these quick and easy decluttering tips, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Crafty Corner Pro Max for more inspiration on creating a home you love. And don't forget to share your own 5-minute transformations with us in the comments below. Until next time, remember that a tidy home is a happy home. Embrace the joy of tidying and let your surroundings inspire creativity and peace in your everyday life.